sa Central Sector! Anak ba, kusog yung tingog. How about atong sector, ang atong mga youth coming from West Sector? O ang atong, how about delinquent pagpapindi ang atong mga YFC sa high school base? Oy, mingaman. O ang atong mga youth for Christ nga layo pagbiyahe gikan sa Surigao del Sur. O siyempre, ang atong mga youth coming from different and various parishes. Asa na mo mga youth sa Paris? Okay, asa na ang youth for Christ Agusan del Norte? Brothers and sisters, titos and titas, it is an honor to host this exciting provincial youth conference with a theme anchored from Matthew chapter 20, verse 8 and 10. It is my pleasure to welcome you all in this momentous weekend. I, Elmer Villanueva, together with my beautiful wife, we are very grateful for your presence today with 570 youths coming from different areas. Now, brothers and sisters, the Agusan del Norte Conference crew is ready and complete, and the voyage of fun and faith, freedom and friendship is about to begin. Let us navigate this adventure together, anchored in Christ, with purpose and united in spirit. Are you ready? Youth for Christ! I, Elmer Villahermosa, your YFC Provincial Couple Coordinator, with my wife, Rutin, declare this Agusan del Norte Conference 2025 open!